now let's dive into our breaking story of the day and discuss the Bitcoin price action hitting $1 million per coin, in which Arthur Hayes doubled down on this prediction just a few months back. And for the past previous years, he has been predicting a $1 million Bitcoin price. But what will spark this to actually occur? That's what we're going to be breaking down right now. Let's go. Here we go. Controversial BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes continues to predict Bitcoin will skyrocket to $1 million in price per coin. The crypto billionaire tells his almost 400,000 followers that First Republic Bank won't likely be the last financial institution to collapse. According to Hayes, another regional bank will likely face liquidity issues in the coming days as the Federal Reserve gears up to raise interest rates. Quoting him here, seems like the Fed still wants to hike 0.25% at its meeting this week. They still don't get it, or maybe they do, and they're just hoping and praying that the market is stupid. Doesn't matter either way, a rate hike almost guarantees another not too big to fail bank will bite the dust this week. Now, he made this prediction a few months back, and I believe more banks have collapsed since then, so I believe it came true. First Republic has a loan book full of jumbo mortgages made to rich people at low rates that are now worth way less than after the interest rates rose. The next bank maybe fails this week. I think we all have a loan book full of illiquid, large commercial real estate loans. Hayes also predicts the crisis in the banking sector will trigger a macroeconomic turmoil that can help springboard the Bitcoin price to $1 million per coin. We all know he has made numerous $1 million Bitcoin price predictions in the past. Quoting him again, I will be looking through my sell-side research for a chart that shows the U.S. banks with the largest CRE portfolios. I will then take a hard look at 50 to 75% out-of-money short-dated puts on these banks to be purchased after the Fed meetings. And then Yahtzee, Bitcoin equals $1 million. Now, Hayes had said previously last year that fellow executive Benjamin Dello, when he pled guilty to violating the Bank Secrecy Act by willfully failing to establish anti-money laundering protocols at their exchange, a judge later sentenced Hayes to 6 months of home detention and 2 years of probation, and the former CEO also agreed to pay a fine of $10 million. But there you have it. How many of you feel that a $1 million Bitcoin price is inevitable and only a matter of time? Also want to point out we have other major crypto influencers predicting that $1 million target as well, including ARK Investors' Cathie Wood, who recently doubled down on her $1 million price prediction as well. And she shared the bullish case that the Bitcoin price could even rise as high as $1.48 million per coin by the year 2030. We also have many other bullish analysts, which I cover each and every day here in Crypto News Alerts, as I lead every single episode with a massive prediction from another influencer. But what are your thoughts? By what year do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to capture that seven-figure historic price action? Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments right down below.